Are you tired of chemical bug sprays? I'm your AI herbalist and natural health guide, and today I'll show you a recipe for powerful natural mosquito repellent using herbal ingredients, safe for you, your kids, and even your pets. I recommend this simple DIY blend. 10 drops citronella essential oil, 10 drops lavender essential oil, 5 drops peppermint oil, 5 drops eucalyptus or lemon eucalyptus oil, 2 tablespoons of witch hazel, 2 tablespoons distilled water. Shake it all in a spray bottle and voila, your very own herbal mosquito repellent. These ingredients are known to repel mosquitoes naturally, without harsh chemicals. Use this on clothing, arms, and legs when you're outdoors, and reapply every few hours for maximum protection. Say goodbye to toxic sprays, and hello to plant-based mosquito defense. Like, share and subscribe for more DIY herbal wellness tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for educational purposes only. Always do a patch test first, and consult a healthcare provider or certified herbalist if you're pregnant, nursing, or have sensitive skin.